Hey everyone, it's Robert Evans, and I'm here with a tip. So today we are using the A7R3, but it's the same in a lot of the different cameras, but specifically that's the camera that we're using today. And what I want to show you how to do is to customize and set your copyright info in the camera. So the first thing that you need to do is get over to the toolbox. So it is the fifth thing on the very top of the menu. And then you need to get to the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth screen. And you see that at the bottom designated by the orange dot. Okay, so here we go. Now we're gonna go down to the copyright menu and we're gonna push the button in the middle of the dial. And it says write copyright info on. You can turn this on or off, but you want it on if you want your name set here. And now you wanna set photographer. So you're gonna push set photographer, and we are gonna go up here and we're gonna push the middle button again, which is gonna take you to the screen so you can put your name in here. So of course, I'm gonna put my name in here. So here we go, we're gonna go down. We gotta go to find my name. So now when you get here, oh, so I need an R, right? I have to push it 1, 2, 3 times to get to the R. And now I move the dial. I'm moving the dial to the left, to the right. I'm going up to the O, 1, pushing the middle button, 2, 3. Now I have the O. Now we're gonna go over and up to the B. I'm gonna push the middle button, 1, 2 to get to the B. I'm gonna go over 1. I'm gonna push the middle button, 1, 2 to get to the E. I have to remember how to spell my name. Go all the way down to, oops, sometimes you push it too much. It's a little touchy, but you get back over there. So again, I'm pushing the middle button. It's this button in the dial, but I'm pushing 1, 2, 3. Now I'm at the R, and now I need a T, so I just need to push that 1 time, Robert. And then I'm gonna go up, and now I like to put my website because my website is my name. So 1, pushing that middle button, Evans. So now I need a dot, right? So that's in this screen. You push on that and it put it in there. It's the very first one. And now I just need 1, 2, 3, C. 1, 2, 3, O. Oh, back up to that one. M. Okay, so now I have it, robertevans.com. I go over here to OK, and I push OK. And now I come down 1. So again, using the dial, I push the bottom of the dial, and I hit OK. And so now I've set the photographer. Now you can set copyright. So for me, it would kind of be the same thing. So you see it's there. I've already done that. And I hit OK. Now, set photographer, you could have multiple photographer names in there if multiple people use the camera. Display copyright info, yes. So it shows you the photographer name at the top, robertevans.com, the copyright holder name, Robert Evans. So if you had a photographer that works for your studio, but you want to put Daisy Chain as the photographer, and then your website as your company, and you hit OK, and that's it. So that's how you set up the copyright in your Sony camera. Thanks again for watching, and keep on the lookout for more of our Sony camera menu tips.